So we're here with the NXR 3-burner gas grill, and bought this at Costco for $99. And I looked around online on YouTube and things like that to see if I could find any videos. There's only one that I could find, so I wanted to do a review video for myself and for you out there. And so we're gonna go ahead and get into the box and set it up and cook some food with it. Okay, so we've got it out of the box, and you can see down there everything that was in the box. I didn't want to bore you with all of that part of it, but so here's what it looks like. This is everything that's out of the box. We've got grill guards, we've got a grease trap, we've got the directions, and then if you look on the construction is very well built. This thing is pretty heavy, it's not very light, okay, but one of the fancy things about it, the nice things, is it's got these buckles on the side that will keep it closed during transportation when you're trying to carry it around. And you just unbuckle that, and then you can open it up, and you can see that it's got a really nice, very heavy duty grill. I'm gonna take that out. I've already put in one of the burner guards right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other two in for you. And you can see the burners down here, very nice. Got holes on the side and on the top. Go ahead and get that. It also comes with a manual match light. You can start it with a match if your electric starters go out. So go ahead and get that out of the way, and put that out of the way. But we'll go ahead and put our burners in. Very easy, burner guards rather. And go ahead and put the other one in. All right, and then I'm gonna put my grill back on. Like I said, it's really heavy duty. Looks like it'd be easy to clean. It won't move very easily and probably retain heat very well. And so then you close it. And then here's your cord. And you can see here that you've got the big adapter here that you can put in the big tank of propane on it, so it'll last a while. And then you've got 3 different controllers for each burner, and it does have an automatic lighting system. And lastly, you have your grease trap right here that you can stick onto the bottom of the, so you can just place that right here. And that will catch all your grease. Now on the bottom you have these legs that pop out to keep it up off the surface, which is really nice. Let's get this out of the way. And you're ready to hook up the gas and start her up. And as you can see, we have a full-size propane tank attached, and the gas is on. So we're gonna go ahead and fire this baby up, and I'm gonna pull the grate out one more time so we can see the burner in action. We've got the full tank propane hooked up, and now we're going to, I took everything out so we can see it fire up. And there it is, it's going. So you can't see the flame, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this back in. It's pretty hot already. I'm gonna go ahead and fire up all the grills. They're all going. And I'm gonna turn them down kind of low here. And we're gonna start cooking. All right, so we sprayed some olive oil in there. That's what you see is turning all brown. I'm gonna cook just some sausage patties that I need to make for breakfast this week. So I thought, why not? And we'll see how this baby works. And there we go. So the construction is very nice. Feels very well made. The grill, once again, is very heavy duty, very heavy, very solid. The burners, I've got them on high right now, but I'm going to turn them down to about midway. See how we are with the heat control. This thing, I didn't mention that at the beginning, but it's got 24,000 BTUs, so it's about 8,000 BTUs per burner, which should be plenty for anything that you're going to do in a portable situation. But like I said, you can close it, you can clip down the fasteners. It's got the handle that you can carry it, so it's not horribly heavy, but it should be easy to put in the back of a truck or in a trunk or in a back seat to carry anywhere you want to go. The bottom is solid except for the hole right in the middle for all the grease to run into, so you're not going to have a problem with the grease leaking out all over the place. Okay, I shut the lid, give it time to kind of cook a little bit, so let's flip these over, see what we're looking like here. Very nice, nice grill marks. And if you like sausage in the morning, that smells really, really good. Too bad you're not eating any of them. So I'm noticing that the lid, when you close the lid, there's a little bit of a rubber pad that kind of keeps it from clanging down, and there's a pretty good seal around it, but some of the heat does probably escape around the edges of the top of the grill here, along this edge and here. There are some vents over here on the side, on each side of the grill, for a little bit of air to come through, but the sides are very high to protect. You can see the flames are definitely brewing there to give it some char. I personally like that, but you can always, I have them all the way open right now, but you can always turn them down just a little bit to help control some of that. That's all, depends on what you like. I personally like the char taste. And let's check them out here, how they're doing. And then another good thing about a stove with 3 burners is that you can turn one of them off or turn 2 of them off and just cook in one area and keep the food hot. Some of the little camping stoves that I've had in the past, you cook the food and then your bacon's sitting over there getting cold, and while you're cooking your eggs. And then by the time you're ready to eat, all your food's cold, or at least your meat is cold. So this way you can keep this side of the grill warm or hot. Turn this one off over here, slide everything down, and keep it warm while you're preparing your eggs or whatever. But just from using it this little bit right here, I'm not seeing a whole lot of flame control from the very lowest setting, but you do have more control than most grills that I've messed around with, especially like those little cheap camping stoves. So don't forget, if you like this video or if it's giving you any insight of whether you want to purchase it or not, just click the like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. All in all, I would probably say this is a 7 out of 10. 10 being the perfect grill. Things I like about it: it's very portable, it's not too heavy. You can use a big propane tank. It's very well put together. The grill itself is sturdy, the grate. I like that. It seems to have plenty of heat This didn't take but maybe 4 or 5 minutes to cook this sausage. So I think it's a quality product. Maybe some of the cons are it doesn't take a small tank of propane. So you do have to lug that thing around when you're gonna go out. Maybe it could use a little bit more power as far as the flame is concerned. But overall, I think it's a good grill, and for quick and easy trips or out to the park or to the lake or even camping, it's better than a little double burner camping stove or something like that, and it's almost as easy to set up. So don't forget to subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.